So guys, Ace and I'm back with another video. Another chart breakdown. Last week I ended up in the profit. Thank you to JPY and got the I think it's Euro JPY as well. So I'm very grateful for those trades. Those trades actually, got me into profit based on just taking the downside shells. So I'm just breaking down some charts that and some things I'm looking for. And it's 4:02 as of now, 4:02 p.m. New York. And I feel as though that, when the market opens, there's going to be some good trades that could possibly be there. No, but, keeping in mind that December is a month of, not that much volatility. It's very, very slow. But we'll see how we'll see how these things turn out, man. But for some reason, my computer's running very, very slow. Okay, but let's break down these charts. Okay, so Euro USD, based on the monthly chart, on the weekly price is literally, trending down, right? Then we've seen a shift in structure when price actually broke this last lower high and then started giving us bold momentum. So the weekly is for this daily, the same thing. We've seen a shift of structure that price is eventually going, price is going downwards. But then it just started going up, it started giving us bullish indication. 4-hour, the same thing. You see price currently is bullish, and then 2-hour, same thing. 1-hour, same thing. So all I'm doing is waiting for like a possible, like, a little retracement into this alert area. So I could actually enter the trade and then eventually take it up to the upside into profit. So we'll see how that works. Gold, I'm looking for the same thing with gold. Gold based on the weekly chart is giving us bullish indication because we see that price was officially bearish. Price is going down, making lower highs and lower lows, and eventually came here, made the last lower high, then eventually broke that, and then now that's what's giving us this, this bullish presence. And now on the daily, the same thing. We see that price is going down, but now currently we see that price is what? Bullish. 4-hour, exact same thing. All right, so eventually look at it, price is going bull, price is on bulls, right here, bull. Looking for another bull move to the upside. 2-hour, same thing, and then the 1-hour, the exact same thing. So all I'm doing is looking for a possible entry into here. So hopefully price could retrace down some more into this area right here. I can catch a better entry here. Because obviously we had this engulfing candlestick right here. So I'm confident entering this trade. I could enter it right now. If I was myself, I could just enter it. But to get a better risk to reward ratio, price just, gives us a little wick down here. We could enter here at a lower price and then get a bigger risk to reward, ratio. So USDCHF. USDCHF is color, because I've been planning this trade and been waiting for it. Okay, so we see that the green line represents the monthly, right? So we see that price broke below this monthly level, right? If I got it broke below it and then we see the moving average crossover, it closed below as well. Gives the monthly, make the monthly, bearish. The weekly, the same thing. We see price at this red line right here, broke below and closed, makes the weekly bearish. Daily, price broke this area and closed. So I'm looking for the retest, which it gave it on the 4-hour. This retest here, 2-hour, 1-hour. You know what I'm saying? And this right here is a 2% risk straight, honestly, because everything is saying bearish. So I'm going to risk 2% on this trade. So everything aligns. So 2% risk. This looks very clean, you know what I'm saying? Beautiful. And then Euro JPY, the same thing that I'm looking for. I'm looking for price to eventually retrace up to this area here, give me a retest and drop down, or price also could, come below this level here, give me a break, of this level here, a retest and a continuation to the closest nearest level. The reason why I'm bearish on your JPY is because let's look at this. Look at the weekly. The weekly closed. What's price? Price closed bearish in the weekly. Look, came up. Just the common structure. Price is going bullish. Higher high, higher low. Higher high, higher low. Lower high, lower low. So now we're looking for another lower high to have a possible lower low. Daily, bearish two, price closed below here. It's bearish indications, 4 hours. Same thing, 2 hours, 1 hour. So now we're just looking for, price just to go bearish from either this area or this area. I'll look to sell it to the downside. Simple chart breakdown. And that's basically it, man. I have my other peers, obviously, that I have alerts set on these, and I'm looking at possibly open up throughout the week. But for now, the top four that I have right now is I'm literally 5 of those. You know what I'm saying? So currently in a trade now. We'll see what trade this is. I do not want to reveal to you guys, but afterwards you'll reveal it and see what trade I was in, because I actually came out in profit with those. So love you guys. Have a good one.